Bulavinaka, and greetings from the Fiji Islands. Participatory Action Research, or PAR, reflects the methods that encompass this approach. The PAR approach emphasizes the participation of members of the community or participants who will be affected or involved or benefit from the research. It also involves the participants' collaboration with the researchers in identifying the issue of interest. More so, they partner in developing relevant solutions or interventions. In addition, the members of the community or participants or stakeholders cooperate in practicing or implementing the agreed interventions. Furthermore, after implementing or actioning the intervention, they collaboratively reflect or evaluate the intervention to see if they have achieved the outcome planned for. Generally, the purpose of a PAR is to bring about change in a community. In our Fiji context, for example, in Watutavui village in Tavua, the community we are working with, we collectively agreed that the issue of interest is the drying of their watershed. After our vitalanoa or discussion, we agreed that the best way to address our issue of interest is to replant native fruit trees and native trees that will assist in drawing in water and provide food and water security. The community and the research team replanted trees together along the coast and at the foot of the mountain ridge. It was agreed that the Women's Club will monitor the plants. A month later, the team returned and together we assessed the plants and discussed ways of improving plant growth. The processes involved in the PAR uphold some of the indigenous Fijians' cultural values: the value of sharing of knowledge, skills, and information, the value of respect for others, place, and space in the community, the value of reciprocity, of giving back to the community to reciprocate the permission given, time spent in the work, knowledge and wisdom shared, and participation of the members of the community. More importantly, the values of honor, trust, love, and care that help the team to build a sustainable relationship with the vanua or the community. As PAR is context-specific, the processes, protocols, and interventions implemented in our community may not work in another community, but it can be used as a learning activity that can be revised and replicated in relevant areas. As our PAR was done in an Indigenous Fijian community, Indigenous Fijian research frameworks and community engagement protocol were used. This enabled the team to access the Vanua Watutavui's epistemology and ontology that guided us in our work. All in all, PAR promotes participation of community members and researchers in identifying the issue of interest, collaboratively create interventions, and implement them to transform the people's behavior, more importantly, the community.